Hello guys, we are right now on the Salahuddin Road. We're making our way to the West Bank, a well-known city called Ramallah, where the majority of Palestinians are residing there. We're gonna show you how the life is there, and eventually we'll make good food reviews, speak with the locals, and show you some interesting things that you can see there. Peace.
Ramallah. The name itself comes from Arabic, Ram Allah, meaning the hill of God. A city built on hills just north of Jerusalem, the administrative and cultural capital of the Palestinian Authority. And for most Palestinians, the West Bank, the closest thing to a capital city they have. And then the checkpoint. On the way back, we had to pass through it. That's a reminder that this isn't just a bus ride between two cities. It's a crossing between two completely different realities. The moment you cross into the West Bank, you see it immediately. The roads change, the buildings change. Everything looks like it's been left to age on its own. Not because the people don't care, but because investment, permits, resources, all of it flows differently here. You don't need anyone to tell you there's a difference. You just look out the window and you see it yourself. And you understand what's really going on. Once we've made to the city center, the vibe is totally different from what we saw in Jerusalem. Everything here feels more like Arabic culture. Typical Arabic souks, marketplaces, stores selling shawarma, bread, clothes. You'll find everything here what you need. Then we made to the main road, which there are more modern shops there. And then we found a mall, which we had to peek into, because we didn't expect to have such a mall in the West Bank.
So where are we right now?
We are in Ramallah, inside a new shopping mall.
The new shopping mall.
Yes. How many?
In many stories.
8, 9, 10, 11.
11 stores.
11 stores.
Yeah. And we are right now at the burger here. I'm gonna enjoy the burger now.
See you again
Burger.
when we try the burger.
Exactly. So guys, we have the jalapeno burger. See this? Let's do a taste test, yeah. See some veggies, meat, cheese, jalapenos. Bismillah. Good. Very nice, yeah. Nice.
Try the fries, bro.
Try one.
Good.
Very nice.
Okay.
What is your name?
Mu'tasim.
Mu'tasim.
Yes.
MashaAllah, I'm Ahsan.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you. I love you, Switzerland.
I love Switzerland.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How old are you?
I'm لا تهتمش في العمر. Not you. I'm children.
Chill.
Yeah.
Children.
How old are you?
I'm 22.
You welcome.
21.
What?
My first time in Palestine.
First time.
First time in Palestine.
First day Ramallah.
First day Ramallah, yes.
سويسرا ألمانيا.
Say hi. هاي
السلام عليكم. ماي فريند كبرنا اصحاب
12 سنة 20
year.
لا 20 years
20 years 20 ما شاء الله.
نتصور معكم؟ بيكتشر
بيكتشر من كريستيانو.
اوه
رونالدو.
ماي لاف كريستيانو Do you love Cristiano?
Yes.
Do you?
Yes.
أهلا وسهلا. أهلا وسهلا. You can speak Arabic a little? شوي تحكوا شوي. أهلا وسهلا. شو بتحبوا تشربوا؟ drink is
درينك كوفي كابتشينو.
اوكي
كابتشينو.
هلا بعمل لك اياه.
شكرا.
رسين سارة مؤشرة يا 4 مؤشرة يا 4 مؤشرة
خلاص. اوكي.
So guys, this is my final day in Jerusalem. The experience here was quite very nice. It's a beautiful city, holy city, and I would recommend you guys to come here because you'll see many holy sites for the Christians, for the Jews, and for the Muslims as well. And for me, the highlight is, of course, Al-Aqsa, as you can see behind me, the Dome of the Rock, and the Prophet Muhammad rose up to the heaven. Yes. Look at this beautiful view. With that being said, this was the end of the Jerusalem series, and we'll meet us again in Jordan, inshallah. Peace out.